Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Kidde model and powering it. First, open the battery door and insert fresh batteries or plug the unit into a live outlet. You should see the power LED glow. Once done, position the alarm 5 to 20 feet from bedrooms and roughly 3 to 6 feet off the floor for CO layering. Make sure not to mount it directly above stoves or vents. This immediate setup gets the device active and ready to detect carbon monoxide quickly. You now verify operation and configure basic settings. Press and hold the test button for about 5 seconds until the alarm and voice prompt sound. This confirms sensor and speaker performance. Next, if your unit has a digital PPM readout or silent/peak reset functions, set them following the label prompts so you know thresholds and can mute nuisance alerts. Once configured, monitor weekly with brief tests, and keep a log of installation and battery dates to maintain reliable protection over time. You finish by running final checks and learning one key troubleshooting tip. Confirm the alarm passes a full test and that indicator LEDs behave normally. If you hear intermittent chirps every minute, replace batteries and retest right away. If the alarm indicates carbon monoxide, get everyone out, call emergency services, and do not re-enter until a professional confirms it is safe. Make sure to clean vents monthly, note the unit's end-of-life date, and replace the alarm per manufacturer guidance to avoid sensor failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.